Hi guys, today we're gonna try how to make a mini Lego that should be I don't know what's this, a mini Lego cargo ship. So these are all the pieces you're going to need, and let's get started building. So the first piece you're going to need a red 2x2 plate. Then you're gonna get the 3x3 plate. Then you're gonna put, and then you got the black steamer that is really gonna put here with front stud. Then two cheese transparents. Then it should be like this. So we put the jumper plate here. We put the cylinder, that's a gold cylinder. Then I'm gonna put, okay, now we put this side. Now we make the carpet. So we put this here like that. It should be like this. And there you go. Here's your mini Lego cargo ship. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.